Well, thanks guys. Across the country, we have been experiencing some frigid temperatures and snow from the mountains in California to even down here in Tennessee, where we have received up to 2 inches of snow. And even though it's starting to thaw out, when this vehicle arrived a week ago, I thought, let's leave this luxury SUV parked in the driveway. Well, I was wrong. The 2021 Cadillac Escalade can tackle just about any terrain, including the snow. For 2021, the Cadillac Escalade has been completely redesigned with technologies inside and out, and now in its 5th generation, Cadillac's flagship SUV has long been considered a leader in the full-size luxury SUV segment for more than 20 years. We know the Escalade is packed with luxury, but how does it perform under the elements? Now, one of the first tests we did with the Cadillac Escalade was actually to thaw the vehicle out by using the remote start. We could do that from inside the comfort of our home. By simply hitting the button twice, you'll hear it beep, then double clicking, it starts the vehicle. What amazes me most about the Escalade is that I didn't tell the vehicle to turn up all the heat for me. It automatically did it on its own. The vehicle's sensors figured it out. And by the time I gathered my things and jumped inside the vehicle, it was a comfortable 75 degrees. One of the things that stuck out the most for me with the Cadillac Escalade was actually the traction control given the size of this vehicle. And you have 4 different distinct driving modes. If you want to go out in the snow, you're going to want to use the off-road mode. I hit a patch of black ice, and although it startled me, the traction control on the Escalade took over and countered the slide. Most cars have traction control, but given the bulk, weight, and size of the Escalade, it handled it incredibly well. On the tech side, one of our favorite features happens to be Cadillac's exclusive industry-first curved OLED screen. The system includes 3 screens. To the driver's left is a 7.2-inch diagonal touch control panel driver info center, followed by a 14.2-inch diagonal cluster display behind the steering wheel. And lastly, a 16.9-inch diagonal infotainment screen in the center of the dash. The new OLED screen, or OLED screen, stretches nearly the entire dashboard and allows for complete customization of your Escalade experience. And the best part is, the futuristic OLED display comes standard across all trim levels. Built from the ground up, the all-new Escalade features a longer wheelbase and longer overall length in general. This allowed Cadillac's engineers to incorporate a redesigned independent rear suspension, enabling a lower interior floor for more room. The all-new Escalade is designed for expanded interior space, and as a result, the Escalade offers 40% more third-row legroom and a 68% increase in maximum cargo space behind the third row, making the Escalade one of the most spacious full-size luxury SUVs on the market today. And guys, we got to close it out with price, and please take into consideration this is the highest echelon, the pinnacle of luxury with the Cadillac Escalade. And to be perfectly honest, they sell a ton of these every single year. Starting price right around $75,000 for the 2021 Cadillac Escalade, and you can top it out just north of $100,000. I'm Mike Caudill.